Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I want to show you how to put a fresh copy or a fresh installation of Mac OSX on a brand new hard drive for your clients and your customers using disk utilities. So this is a different method other than actually using the traditional install disks. The reason I do it this way is because it's a lot quicker, it's a lot more efficient, and if you install and you work on as many computers as I do, you certainly don't want to sit there and run an installer and run through all the updates. So I've created a service hard drive, which I have another tutorial video you guys can watch if you're interested in doing it. So let's jump into disk utility because this is where all the magic happens for me. Okay, so as you can see, I have a 250 gigabyte drive. This is my service drive. On this service drive, I currently have those installer images if I wanted to. I would option boot is one way I can do it. I can install the hard drive if I want to. I can option boot into one of these installers and I can run the installer. It would be the exact same as actually running the install disk. However, I actually have copies of these live operating systems on my service drive. What I've done is copied a live, fully upgraded operating system that I've just named new profiles, set everything to factory default settings, and I can just directly copy in disk utility to the new hard drive. So this is the new hard drive I just opened up in the package. I installed it in my service caddy and I just plugged it into my USB on my computer. This is my computer I do most of my work on. So if I wanted to go ahead and install or copy the operating system to this hard drive, that way I can install it in my customer's computer and send them on their way, I would simply plug in my service drive with all my images. I would put that hard drive in the caddy, plug it into my USB, come here into disk utility. We want to partition this drive. So I'm going to do one partition. It's automatically going to default to this Mac OS extended journal, which is exactly what we want. I'm going to leave it as B. Other options in here, you want to make sure that it's GUID partition table. That's what the new operating system of Mac OS 10 and newer uses. The Apple partition map was really for the PowerPC, all that old OS 9, all that fun stuff. Usually it's defaulted to that. I just wanted to point that out just in case you guys wanted to go through that setting. So we'll go ahead and click apply. This is going to go ahead and just partition it with one fresh, clean partition with this new hard drive that we just put into the caddy. And it's thinking, okay, so it just remounted where don't use. Alright, now we want to go ahead and restore it. All we have to do is go ahead and click restore. And then it's going to ask us for the source, which we've talked about before. I'm going to install Mountain Lion on this. So this is my 10.8.2 image. It does say 10.8.2, but I have upgraded this image to 10.8.5, which is the newest updates for Mountain Lion. That's what my customer wants. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This is the most important part of this. Again, I've stressed this and how to make it before. The source, where it's coming from. The destination is where you are copying it to. If you do this backup and you put this newly partitioned untitled 1 in the source and you put your image in the destination, you just wiped your entire service drive out. It's blank. You lost it. So don't do it. Just be careful. Put your source, put your destination, go ahead and click restore, and go ahead and click erase. Type my administrator password in, and then we're good to go. And this is going to start copying this over. As you can see down here, it says 30 minutes. It's actually going to be a little bit less than that as it speeds up here. Again, the reason I do this is because it's just a lot faster than taking my customer's computer, taking it apart, putting in the brand new hard drive, booting it up, putting in an install disk, running the installer, running all the updates for them. This saves a lot of time because all these live operating system images, I just keep them updated, come in here to disk utility with this method with an external service caddy, copy my customer's information right over, copy the new operating system, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Like it, share it, leave me any comments. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys next time.